Today I will show you how to make a simple 3D 6-petal flower. Here how it looks in other color. I will be using a ball of variegated yarn, a crochet hook and seed beads. The seed beads are large, transparent and not outright. Before the work we thread beads on the working yarn. Begin the work by making a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is foundation chain. Then join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. We get a ring. Let's begin round 1. Chain 2 to bring up the yarn. It will be around half double crochet stitches with seed beads. Make 12 half double crochet with seed beads into the ring. Draw seed beads. Yarn over the hook like this. Insert the hook into the ring by making half double crochet. It was the first, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Continue working till you will get 12 half double crochet. Once we have done 12 half double crochet with seed beads, and to complete this round, I skip 2 stitches at the beginning of this round, insert the hook into the first half double crochet by making a slip stitch. Round 1 is done. Let's begin the next round. For this, make a chain of 2 to bring up the yarn. Draw a bead, yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the stitch that we started round from by making half double crochet. And make the second half double crochet into the same stitch. Then half double crochet into the next stitch. Then 2 half double crochet increase, first one, and make the second one into the same stitch. I remind you that we make all half double crochet with seed beads. Then half double crochet into the next stitch and 2 half double crochet increase. Then just half double crochet. Keep this way till the end of this round. You should alternate 2 half double crochet increase and just half double crochet with seed beads. It should be 18 half double crochet stitches with seed beads. I'm about to complete this round. I remind you we have just done 18 half double crochet with seed beads. I skip 2 chain stitches and insert the hook into the first half double crochet by making a slip stitch. Round 2 is done and we can start to make the next round. The next round will be a round of the base for the petals. Make chain to bring up the yarn and make single crochet into the same stitch that we started to round from. Make a chain, then yarn over the hook and make double crochet into the same stitch. Then chain 6 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. We skip 2 stitches, 1 and the second one, and insert the hook into the third by make 2 double crochet. Make the first one double crochet, not finish, make the second not finish, and pull through all loops on the hook. Then 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we skip 2 stitches, insert the hook into the third by making double crochet not finish, the second half double crochet not finish, and pull through all loops on the hook. Continue to do the same till the end of this round. Once we have done the last 6 chain space, insert the hook into the double crochet by making a slip stitch. The foundation for the 6 petals is ready. Let's start to make first petal. For this make chain 3, and I will be making a string at the beginning. We will make in this side and in this side. You need to insert the hook from the back to the front like this. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop to the level 3 chains. First is done, you need to make 4 more times. In total should be 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then yarn over the hook and pull through 2 first loops on the hook. In this case I need a beads. Draw some beads. Then yarn over the hook behind the bead and pull through 3 loops. Repeat the same 4 more times. First is done, you need to make 3 more times. The second, the third, the fourth. We have 2 loops on the hook. One side of the leaf is ready. While you turn the wool, remove the hook and insert it in these 2 loops from the other side, like this. We don't need this loop to be twisted. Let's make the opposite side of the petal. I will be making string in this side. We need to do yarn over, pull up a loop through 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over and pull through 2 first loop. I remind you that we don't need beads for these 2 loops. Then we draw some beads for the next strings. Then yarn over the hook behind the beads and pull through 3 loops. Repeat the same 3 more times. In total should be 4. Make the second one. Three. And 4. We remain 3 loops on the hook and pull through. I turn the work to the back side. I need 3 seed beads. I will be making a chain with seed beads. Make the first one like this. First one is ready. The second. And make the last one. I insert the hook into the loop. Here it is. Then insert the hook, then take the working yarn, pull it through by making a slip stitch. The first petal is made. We will look at it later. And now I am working with this chain space. Make a chain of 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then insert the hook into the chain space by making single crochet. 1. Then make 6 more single crochet. In total should be 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then insert the hook into the stitch of the previous round by making a slip stitch. And we can start to make the next petal. Chain 3, and you should continue making a string in this side, then in this side, and we stop. Here what we have so far, we have just completed the first petal. We have got beaded petal in the shape of heart. Let's look at the back side. As you can see, this is our transition. Keep this way till the end of this round. It should be 6 petals in total. You should make 5 more. After we made all 6 petals, and once we have done single crochet into chain space, I insert the hook into double crochet that we made a slip stitch into and make slip stitch. That's it. Our little pretty flower is ready. I have already cut off the yarn. This is front side and this is back side. You can add a bead to the center of the flower by your wish. Here how it looks made of variegated yarn. I made exact flower of just blue color. This is 5-petal flower. And this is back side of this flower. In the same technique, I made a couple of leaves and cords to combine them together in my project. You can follow Crochet Leaves tutorial 55 and Crochet Cords tutorial 165 for members to learn how to crochet these beautiful leaves and cords with us. Thanks for watching.